Hello, welcome back to our Getting Data tutorial again. In this video, I'm going to introduce you one of a very important concept when we're doing web crawler or getting data from on the internet or in the web pages, which is XPath, as you can see on my slide over here. So I hope you have basic knowledge about Python, XML, or HTML because in the following video, we are going to implement with Python and extract data from XML or HTML. So what is XPath? XPath is standard for XML path language. Probably it's a little bit abstract given by this definition. As you probably know, all the web pages basically based on the HTML or XML. It is considerably important to extract the data from those files. So the syntax is pretty simple. Actually, here is the formula. I constructed this formula after I read the document. And the document is available on the internet. As you can see, I have already pasted the document link over here. So let's jump into the document and see how the XPath work, because there are some examples over here that we can refer from. And you can read them if you are interested in. But here we just jump into the example and see how it works. It is a pretty standard and clear XML file. As you can see, we have a bookstore page over here. This is the close of the bookstore mark. After that, we got a book over here, and actually we have several books. There are categories for cooking and for children and for web, etc. Alright, even we have two book mark actually with same properties. This is we call properties in the XML file or HTML file. Okay, now how we can actually get the value inside of these nodes? As you can see over here. As you can see, if we want to get the first bookmark over here, then we just give it the book over here, and this is the first, and then we will get this book category with cooking. This one we will get the last book, which is web. I think this one. Both this book belong to this bookstore, which also called child of the bookstore element. And we can also get the second book in the reverse order if we're doing this way, or we can get the first two, which is less than 3 books, as you can see over here. And also double dash means we're gonna get all the elements with the title. The property is len. Alright, we can also do some selection, which I said in the condition, and then this title language is English, and we can select this all title are English in this way. And also we can select by the element its value. As you can see, the price is a float number over here, and we can do in this arithmetic comparison and select some of the elements. And if you want to see more, we can click this tutorial, and actually we got pretty much all what we want, and we can get next. And this is in nodes and syntax. I think it's very important. This is a little bit important. If we said just one slash, means we will get the root node, which in this case is a bookstore, and a double slash means we will get all the elements match the selection. One dot means current node, and double dot means parent node. We can use add to filter some element by attributes. Alright, I think that's all we need to know about XPath. Do not worry if you cannot remember all those details at one time, because you can always look at this document anytime you want. And you will remember all those syntax. So if you use regular, do not worry about if you cannot remember all those syntax detail at one time. You can always come back to this document and look at how it's work. Actually, you will eventually remember all those syntax. It's pretty simple. That's all for XPath. In the next video, we are going to use Python to actually extract those data inside of those elements with XPath syntax. And see you next video.